Included in OrCAD is a library of commonly used PCB footprints. While many components in your designs will require a specific footprint defined by the manufacturer, this library will help you jumpstart the design creation process. This video will show where to find included PCB footprint libraries in OrCAD. Section 1. Locating the included PCB footprints for OrCAD on your computer. Open Windows Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Navigate to C, Cadence, SPB 17.4, Share, PCB, PCB-lib, Symbols by browsing through the file structure. This is where all included PCB footprint libraries for OrCAD are stored. Close Windows Explorer and open OrCAD PCB Designer. Section 2. How to view and browse included PCB footprints within OrCAD PCB Designer. This is useful if you don't know specifically which footprints you need to assign to your components in Capture. We will show you how to assign these footprints to schematic symbols in another video. Select Place Components manually from the menu. This will open the placement window. If you are working on a PCB and have imported the netlist from the schematic, this window will be automatically populated with components to place. Select the Advanced Settings tab. Under the Display Definitions From pane, check Library. Go back to the Placement List tab. From the drop-down menu, select Package Symbols to view the list of available footprints. To view a footprint, simply click the entry in the list and a preview of the footprint will be shown here. You can also search for footprints by name. Simply enter the name of the footprint into the search bar here and press Enter. A single entry with the name we searched, exactly as it was typed, was returned. To search for a less specific footprint, use a wildcard character. To search for part of a part name, enter asterisk, the name, asterisk. This will return any footprint with the search term somewhere in the name between any combination of letters and numbers. If you are unsure of a certain character, use a question mark. This will return any footprint with any single character where the question mark is in the search bar. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.